HVAC fabrication shops and contractors all share an industry-wide problem: how to gain efficiency in the fitting fabrication area in their shops after purchasing automated machinery. However, by taking a second look at your fittings areas and reconfiguring your shop layout, you can achieve a better flow and gain valuable labor savings that equal more profit. Want to find out how you can increase the productivity of your operation? Register now to see how we helped these contractors increase their productivity by more than 50%.